Australia has spoken. This is what you can do with your Sumo slicer. Forget peeling potatoes, add a whole boiled potato to your Sumo and turn the handle for lump-free mash with no skin. Perfect for sweet potato, even pumpkin. Sumo is making Australia great again. Make rock-hard brown, raw or icing sugar soft and smooth once more. Turn stale old wholemeal slices, rolls or gluten-free bread into fresh breadcrumbs for fish, schnitzels and shepherd's pie. Stop slicing, chopping and grating the old way. Sumo Slicer makes fresh, beautiful, nutritious meals in seconds. Sumo Slicer locks onto any smooth counter. You can slice, grate and shred straight into the bowl. Perfect for sliced parmesan or a mountain of grated soft cheese. Get fast, healthy vegetable pasta in just seconds. The secret is in Sumo Slicer's 3 interchangeable, swift and sharp stainless steel drums. With a turn of the handle, you can grate, slice or shred up to 18 times faster. And just like our famous knife sharpener, it stays firmly in place. Big electrical blenders make you over-chop, over-blend and over-mush. Metal graters cut your hands to shreds. Sumo Slicer is the best garlic grater ever. Healthy cauliflower florets become low-calorie rice alternatives. Even hard-boiled eggs are amazing salad or sandwich fillings in seconds. And when you're done, unlock the top to clean easy under a tap. Save money now on fast food delivery. Get it quick and healthy in half the time with Sumo.